What's going on, guys? Gonna meet up with some friends and go for a little ride and see where it takes us. No, we're going over to a little town east of here. Just a quick little run and hang out a little bit, head back. Should be pretty fun. What's up? Getting it ready?
Yeah.
Chris going for a ride. Yeah, that's how that used to be. gotta love curves if you're comfortable taking them, but don't ride outside your skill level. It'll get you hurt really quick. But like I said before, I definitely need a better seat. I don't mind the wind of going highway speeds on this bike, but I definitely need a more comfortable seat. One thing about this road we're on right now also is this is a livestock range. It's open range out here. I haven't came across one in the road yet, but they're always sitting up on the side of the road, just off in the edges over there and over there. See, there's one of the cows we were talking about. Why we generally ride on Sundays. So no matter which way we go, for the most part, it's not as busy as Saturday.
Perfect.